I wanted another shoe rack for my garage, and this one from Smiry comes in many different sizes, colors, and configurations, and as long as they're the same width, they're fully stackable. Assembly for all of them should be about the same though, so let's take a look. It comes with foldable shelves and individual side pieces, as well as a really clear manual that you probably won't need though, as this is as basic as it gets. It also comes with an accessory bag with everything you need in it. And all that's required for assembly is the included Allen key. I actually tried using a screwdriver, but since you're using wood screws into wood, you really need the leverage of the Allen key, and power tools would most likely be too powerful, so I just used what it came with. To assemble, just unfold the shelf and line up the small pieces, then screw it all together. Even using the Allen key, it took less than 5 minutes and was pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure to put the longer side of the side piece legs facing down. Both the top and bottom of the side pieces have holes for the shims if you'd like to stack these. I think that's a cool feature, as you could buy one now, then add more later. After assembly, put the included rubber pads on the bottom of the feet to keep it from sliding around. And after you're done, you'll find a few extra pieces in case you lose anything. Don't worry, you didn't miss a step, those are just extras. As for use, it just works. The shelves provide enough space, and since it's not too deep, there is even enough room for me to park my truck in the garage and still have it fit. I thought it worked so well, I wanted to order a second to stack on top. Until my wife got home and told me she had a better idea, even though this one worked perfectly fine. So now I'm on my third garage shoe rack within a few months, which I of course will review too, so please check the links in the description for the other two and pick whichever one fits your setup the best.